Hey family, and welcome back to another week's reset video. So today we are doing a clean. I have neglected my bedroom. I would say the majority of my house have been neglected because I was doing a renovation on the bathroom. And you guys know that I did the majority of that renovation by myself. So I used to be very physically tired, mentally tired. So this is the result of that. Now these are the bags that has to go to Goodwill. I haven't taken them yet for two reasons. I haven't cleaned out the small closet as yet, and my daughter says she wants to go through them first. So that is why. But this is the condition of my room. The pillows on the ground because of Baby's Island, not me. I promise you. Okay, so let's get let's get this bed clean. Let's get this room back to what it used to be. Okay, I washed my sheets the night before, so I normally I don't lay on this my flat sheet. I only lay on the coverlet that you're gonna see me put on the bed. So I took that off, washed it, took my pillowcase off, and washed that as well. So my bed is nice and fresh again. Guys, my neighbors are still in their house, and I knew I was this nosy until I've been seeing like these houses. One behind of me just sold, and every time I'm passing, they're renovating it. I'm breaking my neck looking in. I was like, girl, you are so nosy. I didn't know you were so nosy. Like, I'd be disgusting myself. And the one across the street, they're selling, I guess that's the inspector, like inspecting the house. So I'm being nosy. I'm like, oh, they got an offer. Why didn't see on the contract go up? Like, that's not your business. That's why you see it. Oh my God. I'm ridiculous. So in any case, guys, this is the coverlet that I put on my bed. So this is what I sleep on. Okay, this is what I lay on. So I make sure it goes all the way up to the end of the mattress, and at night I will just lay on that. Is what I lay on. Let me tell you why. I don't have to wash my fitted sheet, my flatted sheet, plus this every week when I do that. Because I lay on that coverlet, I would take that off every week and wash it. It's saving me. It's not easy for me to make this bed. That mattress is stupid heavy, and you guys see the long trip I have to go from one side of the bed to the other. So I had to come up with a solution that will better suit me. I sleep on a coverlet. If I was sleeping on the flat sheet, I will still have to wash my fitted sheet. So I decided to add that coverlet and sleep on the coverlet. Now, these clothes I also washed last night. I folded them, and now I am packing them away. Okay, I'm really happy though that I do have these drawers that are here in the bedroom, and I can easily put my stuff away. Like, I'm really loving this. So I folded them. My daughter brought them upstairs for me, and I brought some upstairs for me. So now I'm just separating them as to what drawer they're going to go into or where I'm going to pack them away. So my life is feeling very easy when it comes to this part, and I'm really enjoying this. So I'm quite happy with the decision to utilize these drawers. So now I feel like I have somewhere to put my stuff. I was trying to finish the bed, but I realized that I had so much stuff. The blanket and everything was over on the chair, and then all those clothes was on it, and if I had pulled them, then it would have unfolded the clothes, and I have to go refold them. So I decided to stop and pack these stuff away so that I can get to the blanket. So these stuff is what I have to hang. So guys, you're in my closet. Do I ever bring you guys in my closet? No, I don't. So I can proudly bring you guys in my closet now. Guys, I still haven't ironed them doggone clothes. I haven't done a lot of stuff that I said I was going to do, and it's because I was like so into doing that bathroom. And yeah, so A lot of stuff I wanted to do got neglected, but I do want to iron these clothes. I was thinking to get them done today, but I don't know. I need to take some energy, something. I've been feeling lazy these past couple days, and I've been contemplating what I'm going to do next. And I really think I just might do my stairs next, or probably go through my house and finish up every little project that I started that isn't finished, where something on it needs fixing. I think that's what I need to do. Yeah, that's probably what I should do. Guys, I'm so tempted. I like my carpet that's in my bedroom. I definitely want to take that up. Not my carpet, my rug. And the one in my living room. I want to take them up so freaking bad. Okay guys, so back to this bed. So basically I'm gonna do the same thing what I always do, which is, put my pillows on the bed. What I have done, and I'm so happy that I did do it, that I got out of that phase with having so much pillows on your bed. I now see where it is not necessary. Like, you don't need that much pillows on your bed for your bed to look luxe. I'm glad I'm out of that phase. Is anyone still in that phase? Let me know down in the description, because it took me a while to get out of it, and I was taking some away piece by piece. Every time I redo my bed, I will remove like one layer, then I'll go to another layer. So this is where I'm at right now, and you guys know that those gray pillows that I made, those are permanent on the bed. What I will do is probably change the cover. Like, I'm thinking to do like a burnt orange or burgundy-ish color one for going into the Christmas season. So those are permanent on the bed, but I am so glad that I'm out of that phase. What I love is having this nice burrito layering on the bed. Like, I love that. Okay, so my sleeping pillows, I only have one sleeping pillow, which is that white pillow that you see on the sofa. And when it's time to go to sleep, I grab that. I grab my blanket. I grab my neck pillow. And that is how I go to sleep, using those. So I don't put any sleeping pillows on my bed anymore. So guys, I went to T-Mobile. I went there with Babe. He was doing some stuff, and then I saw their home internet. I always wanted to try it, so I did pick it up. I'm going to try it and see if I like it. If I like it, I am going to get rid of Xfinity, because I'm paying $130 something, and this is just $30 a month. Okay guys, no, my video did not start over. Okay, I was cleaning yesterday, and I was cleaning my bathroom, and Babe came, so I finished cleaning the bathroom, and then I was chilling with him, and then Baby's Island showed up. She showed up, and she turned my room back to how it was in a few hours. She was jumping on the bed. She was throwing the pillows. So I'm showing you guys my real life situations. This is real life. Real life. I'm not kidding you. So here I am again. I have to clean my room the following day again. What I did to get her to go to sleep is I closed my blinds, I closed the curtains, I made her think it was night outside, and she was like, bedtime. I was like, yes, bedtime. And she still rolled and played some more, thought it was funny, going under the covers, laughing at me. She pulled up my flatted sheet, she pulled up my coverlet. I was so frustrated. I was like, I just want her to fall asleep. So I had her sleeping by 7:45. That little sucker was out. She thought it was after 8, because her bedtime is 8:30. Yeah, I tricked her and put her to sleep because she was destroying my room. And I was like, I have to clean all this up. I literally have to clean this back up again. I just did this yesterday. Guys, this is my life. This is true life. Okay, Yesterday when I went downstairs, I went to go clean. There wasn't nothing for me to video because my daughter had already cleaned up downstairs. So I was like, oh, I was going to do a clean with me. But I can't complain. I literally cannot complain. Okay, so there was nothing for me to film that I was cleaning downstairs. The only thing she did not clean was my bathroom, and you guys will see that coming up. She don't like cleaning bathrooms, so you guys will see that coming up soon in this video. So guys, here is my bed. My bed feels exactly how it looks. Plush, comfortable. You don't want to get out of bed. My room has not looked like this in about 2 weeks. Yeah, it was completely out of control, and now I am happy that it's now back in control. Okay guys, on to the downstairs bathroom. You guys know I was going to show this on camera. So basically, I just have to wipe it down. That towel rack thing, guys, I know I put it, but I wouldn't purchase it if you're gonna really put towels on it, because it keeps falling. The adhesive is not strong enough, and I left that adhesive there for a while before I even hang towels on it. But every time somebody go touch it to use a towel, it starts to pull down. I did put a screw in it, but it was only one hole for screws. Okay, as you can see, I removed the candle from there. I don't know, every time I go to use the bathroom, but like, this seems to be too much. And eventually I did, today I just moved it, and I decided I'll use it somewhere like in the living room or something when I'm restyling my coffee table. Okay, so guys, yeah, that was a quick little clean in the bathroom, and your girl, she done. So guys, thank you for watching this week's video reset, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. So I should be posting on Wednesday again. So have a blessed week, and see you until then.